Out of here like in 4 in the morning because there's a storm coming. So yeah. Whoa. Okay, I'm panning around. This is what I see. A star. Sticking down the tent in the dark. It's a flutter. Yeah, you filled those. Put yourself to work. A goofy forest. This looks slightly scary. Oh, blue. Starting to see the horizon. A little bit brighter. You can see a little bit more blue. Tent is on. Venture out to find the bear canisters. Where would they be? Nobody knows. But some legends say they live under a tree. A dead one. Over there. Somewhere. Ah, they're there. This looks epic, by the way. He just totally ducked under the camera to avoid getting seen. Come here, big white. I'm gonna pop brighter now. Actually see what we're doing. We're gonna head out now. Head back campsite. Pretty. Wow. And to the steep stuff. Oh my gosh. To the top. I'm cooked. We came from right on there. That's crazy. Wow. You can see the sun on the ridge over there. What? Oh my heroes. Sun, where are you? I see a thundercloud brewing over there. A little family specks over there. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. Light. Yes. Sunlight. Yes. Oh, I'm recording. Hi, Shadows. Just chilling on a rock. I was not gonna videotape this part, but my dad insisted. This is the best spot. And his backpack just fell. 7 o'clock, still walking. Mountain, sunlight, and walk. Woo. It's here! The checkpoint. I don't know what this thing is or what it does, but somebody made it. I can't see my phone. I don't know if I'm even aiming at it, but this. What is this? My brother called it the checkpoint where you respawn if you fall off a cliff. I'm gonna quote that. Halfway point. Now we know we're almost there. For once, the trail's actually kind of flat, which is surprising. Literally a minute later, and then it freaking turns into this. Like, what? And there's a lake down there. I don't know if you can see that. So, and there's literally another lake right there. And a lake right there. So, what? Ah, yes, the super sketchy logs of death. Oh wow, what do you know? Another lake. Apparently we're almost there. I don't know if I believe it. Yes, the table. We passed this on our way here. We believe we see the lake we started at. I don't know if I think that's it. Over there. Water. Yes. The sign. Almighty sign. Come to me, or I come to you. What do you say? Follow me, Wilderness Auto National Forest. I want to come here. This is where it is. Ta-da. No bikes, which makes me sad because there's some really fun trails up there. Hiking trail. Wonder what I'm on. Gosh, these mosquitoes are horrendous. Ah, I don't know if you can see them. Oh my. I have mosquito repellent on, but it doesn't seem to matter. Get away. Mosquito. Watch. Time to cross the river. I don't know. I don't know. Oh. I did that. There's a log bridge right here. We're almost there. I see the car. In that case, goodbye.